Today I want to show you how to edit your first YouTube video quick and easy, under 10 minutes in Adobe Premiere Pro. Good morning, welcome back to my channel. So yesterday you have recorded your very first YouTube video, that is the intro video. Well done! Now grab the SD card, a card reader and a computer. That's all you need to start working in the next step, editing your video. I'll show you how to edit the video in Adobe Premiere Pro under 10 minutes, and it's very easy. It's a lot easier than you think. And perhaps you say, wait a second, the choice of your software is Premiere Pro. That means it's a professional software and I'm a beginner. Why should I use this software? I'll tell you the reason. The reason that I switched to Premiere Pro from Final Cut Pro, and I switched from iMovie to Final Cut Pro. So I all the way switched from iMovie to Final Cut Pro to Premiere Pro because it works better on Mac and PC. It works totally with other creative clouds and it can save in variations, different editions. I can always go back and edit different versions of my movie, and it works better in a team. So there are plenty of advantages and you will not regret choosing this software. And this opinion is just purely my own. This is not a sponsored video or whatsoever. I'm not influenced by any other company or persons. And this choice I recommend you as an artist, also because you use already Photoshop or Illustrator or other kind of Adobe suite, I'm pretty sure. So this software has the same look and feel, and you already work with images. So in the future, perhaps you will work on a project like video art or some kind of documentary in art. So totally this software will give you, let's say, a professional ability to modify your videos, and it has plenty of functions. Today I'll just show you six functions, or let's say 6 tools to edit your video, and you don't need more than that. I'll show you how. Let's get to it. First, click on the Premiere Pro button, and after it's installed, you'll be welcomed with this screen, the first screen. So now look for the New Project button and hit that. You see the setting for your new project. Make sure you save this project in the desired folder and make the naming according to your own naming convention. I usually name my files strictly according to my own naming convention. For example, this is the number 73 video I made this year, so I will name it 073 and some kind of hint to what is this content of the video, for example, Premiere, and hit OK. Ta-da! Welcome to your workspace. Now this is the classic editing layout. The next step is to import your video files. Locate your video files on your memory card, find the right file you wish to import to this project, and just drag this to the area of your screen, or double click this area also works, or go to File, Import, and select the files you wish to import. You can hover over the file to see its metadata. Now you have imported these files you need to edit. The next step you need is to create a new sequence. And in this sequence, you have a timeline that is your movie. It's very easy. You just need to drag and drop the main video file. Let's say, your vlog or your intro video of you speaking to the camera. Drag and drop this file. Just drag and drop and you see automatically it's creating a new sequence with this clip on your timeline. Now you can do a few things, such as trimming this video. Just hover over the beginning or the end of this clip and trim it by moving your cursor. Or you can hit on the keyboard C button to select the cutting tool and then just cut out the part you don't want. Press the V button on your keyboard to go back to the normal cursor and select the part you don't want, and delete by clicking the delete button on your keyboard. And now you have a gap between the two clips. If you want, you can ripple delete it. It's very easy, just right click and ripple delete will appear as an option. Ripple delete will eliminate the gap between two clips. Now you know how to trim, cut, delete, ripple delete. So it's very, very easy. With these functions, you can already edit a complete movie, and perhaps you need more. So it's very common that you want to insert a slide. Perhaps it is a screen capture, or perhaps it is art. again import this file into your folder and then just drop it, or you can directly drop it to your timeline because you have already a sequence. Just drop it directly and you'll see this is stacked on top of your video, and perhaps you want to create a background for it. You can create a color matte as a backdrop for your inserted image. Choose a color, you can change the color whenever you want later. Extend the duration of those clips if you wish. Now you can add a text to this existing video. It's also very easy. Just go to the file and new legacy title. It's called legacy title in Adobe. Title 01, okay. Don't worry, it's quite smart, so it will fit your sequence setting. Now you can point and type some words. There is no saving button, just close this window and it will be automatically saved. Find your title 01, now you can drag and drop it on top and adjust the durations as you wish. Now you know how to insert an image, how to do a color matte, and how to do a legacy title. So together with the tools previously we said about trim, cut, ripple, delete, with the 6 tools is all you need to create a professional looking video. Now I will give you a bonus tip. Perhaps you are drawing a certain part of your work that is really slow and you want to speed up this process, and you don't want to delete this clip because you still want to show it, but it's just too slow for your taste. So you can easily select this clip where you want to speed up and then click Command and R at the same time, and you'll be greeted with this speed control panel, and you just put in, for example, 200% to like double the speed of your clip and click OK, and that's it. You can create almost like an effect of time lapse doing this. Now you see I have edited my video like this and I'm ready to export my video. Now go to the File and Export and Media. You see this export screen. Make sure that it is H.264, a standard format for YouTube videos. And now let's go to preset. There are a lot of presets, but I tend to use match source high bitrate for optimal image quality. You can always use other kind of presets. I use this because I want to preserve the image quality, and if you're using a video tutorial to show your art, totally you want to preserve maximum quality possible. You don't want any compression, so that you show your art in as high resolution as possible. Now hit the export button and grab a cup of coffee or tea. Depending on the computer, the length of your video, it can take anything from 10 minutes to like 30 minutes to export this video. You can always go back to add music, transition, and go back to edit once the file is exported, as long as your project is saved, and you can just modify whenever you want. And you see how easy it is. Now you have your first video file. Voila! So if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. I will get back to you ASAP. And of course, this is just a very, very simple way to edit your video. And perhaps in the future, I will do a more complete version of how to edit with music, effects, transitions, and all that kind of fancy stuff. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next video.